Imagine stepping out your back door and snipping fresh basil for your pasta sauce. Picture rosemary sprigs for your roast potatoes growing just steps away. Growing your own herbs brings this sensory delight right to your kitchen. Homegrown herbs are bursting with flavor, surpassing anything from the supermarket. They elevate your cooking with their vibrant taste and aroma. Beyond the culinary benefits, there's a deep satisfaction in nurturing plants from seedlings to harvest. The act of tending to your herb garden becomes a mindful ritual. It connects you to nature's rhythms. Plus, growing your own herbs is a sustainable practice. It reduces reliance on shop-bought herbs packaged in plastic. Whether you have a sprawling garden or a compact balcony, cultivating your own herbs is achievable and rewarding. Even in limited spaces, vertical gardens offer a fantastic solution. They allow you to transform any sunny spot into a fragrant and productive herb haven. So, let's explore the world of vertical herb gardens and unlock the secrets to growing your own culinary delights. In today's world, many of us live in flats or houses with limited outdoor space, but this shouldn't limit our gardening aspirations. Vertical gardens offer an ingenious solution. They transform underutilized vertical spaces into thriving green zones. Walls, fences, and even balconies become potential sites for cultivating fresh herbs. Vertical gardens maximize space by growing upwards. They make the most of every inch, even in the smallest of areas. This is particularly beneficial in urban environments. It's a chance to introduce a touch of nature and greenery into our concrete jungles. Beyond space-saving, vertical gardens also offer aesthetic benefits. They add a touch of visual interest and texture to otherwise bland walls. Imagine a cascade of fragrant herbs, their leaves tumbling down a trellis. It's a sight to behold and a conversation starter. Ready to embark on your vertical herb garden journey? Here's a simple step-by-step guide to get you started. First, choose your location. Select a spot that receives at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. South-facing walls or balconies are ideal for maximum sun exposure. Next, select your structure. Numerous options are available. You can repurpose old pallets, wooden crates, or hanging shoe organizers. Alternatively, purchase a purpose-built vertical garden system from your local garden center. Then gather your materials. You'll need a liner for your structure. Landscape fabric works well. Potting mix specifically designed for herbs. And of course, your chosen herb plants or seeds. Now it's planting time. Line your chosen structure with the fabric. Fill it with potting mix, ensuring good drainage. Gently remove your herb plants from their pots, loosening any compacted roots. Plant them at the same depth as they were in their original containers. If starting from seeds, follow the instructions on the seed packet regarding depth and spacing. Section 4. Herb-specific care, keeping your basil, thyme and parsley thriving. Each herb variety has its own set of preferences when it comes to care. Here's a quick guide to keeping your basil, thyme and parsley happy and thriving. Basil. This sun-loving herb enjoys consistently moist but well-drained soil. Pinch off any flower buds to encourage bushier growth and continuous leaf production. Thyme, drought-tolerant and low maintenance. Thyme flourishes in full sun and well-drained soil. Trim back after flowering to maintain a compact shape. Parsley. Preferring partial shade to full sun, parsley thrives in moist, well-drained soil. Regular harvesting encourages new growth, so don't be afraid to snip those leaves. Watering. Water your vertical garden regularly, especially during hot weather. The soil should be moist but not waterlogged. A good way to check is to stick your finger about an inch into the soil. If it feels dry, it's time to water. Fertilizing herbs benefit from regular feeding. Use a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Section 5. From Seed to Supper, embracing the vertical garden revolution. Growing your own herbs in a vertical garden is a rewarding endeavor. It transforms ordinary spaces into green havens. It connects us with nature's bounty and elevates our culinary creations. The process is simple. It's achievable for gardeners of all levels, from seasoned green thumbs to absolute beginners. With a little effort and these easy-to-follow steps, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the fruits, or rather leaves, of your labor. So embrace the vertical garden revolution. Transform your small spaces into culinary oases. Plant the seeds of flavor and reap the rewards of fresh homegrown herbs. From seed to supper, let your vertical garden nourish both body and soul.